Hello, my dear friends. Today, I want you to start thinking about seeing yourself in a new light, seeing yourself in a new way. I talked to so many women who say, "Oh, Kat, I'm a hot mess. Oh, Kat, I just can't do this. Oh, Kat, I just can't do that. Oh, Kat, I'm a mess. I just can't do the whole thing," or whatever it is that I'm telling them to do. And it all comes from seeing themselves in the wrong light. They see themselves as a failure. Do you see yourself as a failure? If you do, I want you to stop doing that right now and start thinking about yourself as a success, because you can do this. You can do this one step at a time, 1 hour at a time, 1 day at a time. Now, when I say 1 hour at a time, 1 day at a time, I do not mean that you're going to be working on this program all the waking hours of your day. Absolutely not. You're going to spend a little time doing routines in the morning. You're going to spend a little time doing zone work every day. You're going to spend a little time doing your basic weekly plan. And that's it. So let's talk about how much time that really is. In the morning, you're going to get up a half hour before your family and do your morning routine. That will take you 30 minutes unless you shower in the morning. If you shower in the morning, 45 minutes. If you shower and wash your hair, about an hour. So you'll have to get up that much earlier than the rest of the family. And then do your morning routine before they get up. And then once you've done your morning routine, then you can put a load of laundry in if you need to, or go through an inch of paper if you've got a paper clutter issue. Do you know if you go through an inch of paper every day, 6 days a week, that you'll go through 2 feet of paper in a month, and that's 24 feet of paper in a year? Okay, so it's all little bits every day. When we go through an inch of paper, 98% of that is trash. Paper that's cluttered and been sitting around, most of it's been handled or is no longer relevant. Most of it is trash. So you're only going to get 1 or 2 things that require action out of that stack, out of that 6-inch stack that you work on every week. Okay, so that's just a couple of minutes in the morning. And putting your laundry in, if you're going to put laundry in the morning, is also just a couple of minutes. So we're talking anywhere from a half hour to an hour and 15 minutes in the morning that you're going to be doing that. Then of course you're going to fix breakfast, you're going to feed breakfast, you're going to clean up after breakfast. But that's not something I'm asking you to do. That's something you're just going to do, hopefully. Then you're going to do a clutter stop. What is a clutter stop? That means that you're going to pick it up, not pass it up, and you're going to have your children pick it up, not pass it up. We're not going to leave things that have a home out of their home. So we're going to do a little look around first thing in the morning just to make sure you didn't leave anything before bed. We're going to do a little look around lunchtime, or if you work, when you come home from work. And we're going to do a little look around before bed, if you have children, before the children go to bed. And we're basically looking to see what's happened in the last couple of hours that is occurring and making clutter in my home. Because if you don't pick that up and you just pass it up, it will become impenetrable clutter, a concrete block of clutter. So we want to just get those little things picked up and put away and make that a habit. Those are just a few minutes each. So let's add to our hour and a half in the morning. Let's add another 15 minutes for clutter stops in the day. We're at an hour 45. And this is, or an hour, hour and 45 minutes. And that's being very expansive. And then we're going to do our before bed routine, our after dinner routine. After dinner routine, you're going to make dinner, serve dinner, eat dinner. Then you're going to clean up after dinner. I'm asking you to do that after dinner routine. It involves wiping the table, wiping the counter, sweeping the floor, making sure the dishes are in the dishwasher or have been washed, cleaning the pots and pans, and wiping the stove. That is a 30-minute process all by yourself, and with the help of your family, 15 minutes. So I'm going to go with 15 minutes. We're up to 2 hours of routines right now. Then you've got your before bed routine. This is not your children's before bed routine. This is your before bed routine, where you go in the bathroom, you wash your face, you moisturize your skin, you maybe you take a shower at night. If that's the case, add 15 minutes. If you're washing your hair, add a half an hour. But in general, this is about a 15-minute process. You're basically cleaning your skin, putting on your moisturizer, putting on your pajamas, and laying out your clothes for the next day. And that's part A of your before bed routine. So it's about 15 minutes. And then right before bed, you're going to do the last part of your before bed routine, which is to brush and floss your teeth. Make sure the dishwasher is running and has soap in it, or the last few dishes have been washed and put in the dish rack. So when that happens, that's another 10 minutes. So in less than 2.5 hours, I'll just maximize it, say less than 3 hours of routines in the day, and that is being extremely expansive. The only other things we're doing in the day is a 15-minute zone routine, and that only happens 4 days a week, or if you're a payroll homemaker, 1 hour on Saturday. So I'm taking it down today, so we'll just say 15 minutes to work in your zone. Then you have to complete the process. So you've decluttered for 15 minutes, you have to throw something away, put something in the back of your car for giveaway, and put away the other things. I'll give you another 10 minutes, being, again, very expansive, 25 minutes. So we're at 3 hours and 25 minutes. And the last thing we have to do is our basic weekly plan. On Monday, that's a weekly home blessing hour. On Tuesday, it's free day, there's nothing. On Wednesday, it's planning and desk day. That can take you 2 hours. On Thursday, that's errand day. Hopefully not as many hours. If you have planned to pick up your groceries, or you're very focused and you go into that grocery store, get your stuff and come out and don't spend extra money. You're buying what's on your list. You've been thoughtful about that plan. And you're making your routine route, so you're not going out of your way and wasting gas and wasting time, because you're on a mission to get this done. So I'm going to give you 2 hours for routines. And on Friday, car and purse day is about 15 minutes. I'll be expansive and say 30. So we're talking 5 hours maximum a day. Some days only 3 hours, and that's being, again, super expansive. So we're not talking you're sleeping 8 and you're up for, how many does that leave? 9, 10, 11, 12, 16 hours. So out of 16 hours, less than 1/3 on a big day is being taken by doing things in your home to care for your home. And you do this over and over and over and over and over until it becomes a habit. You get good at it. You say, I can do anything in little baby steps like this, and it changes who you are. When you change the light you see yourself in, it changes who you are, and it changes the trajectory of your day, not only of your day, of your life and of your children's lives. Instead of going this way, now you're going this way. Or instead of going this way, now you're going this way. It's a very important thing to do, to change the way you think about yourself, to say, I can do this, I am capable, I am strong, I am a homemaker, I am a nurturer, I can do these things. So change the way you see yourself and change the trajectory of your life and the lives of your family. Have a wonderful day, and always remember to be beautiful, because you are beautiful. Bye-bye.